how can you become a massage therapist and get rid of that day job? The first thing is
get trained.
Get trained.
With Jing, obvs. Only 10 days of your time and you'll be able to start a practice and get insured.
Then what you need to do is figure out times with keeping your day job that you can do massage, which you totally can. So we recommend doing an evening, like 2 massages in an evening.
2 to 3 massages in an evening, yeah.
And better to do one evening with 2 massages than one per night.
Yeah.
This is not so good.
Yeah.
Or a Saturday morning.
We loved the Saturday mornings, didn't we? So you're starting to build up a clientele while you're working the day job. And
then once you get 5 clients a week, you can start to think about winding down that day job to 4 days a week, that kind of thing. So 5 clients equals a day off.
Yeah.
Of the
10
other
clients,
job.
3 days.
Yep.
Etc.
And then figure out how much money you need to make as a massage therapist in order to replace your job. And you are out. It can happen in about 3 months.
Out of the rat race.